This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come.
Hello and welcome to my channel. This is the Kid in the City. I am Jonte and we are getting into another eyeshadow detail. So if this is your first time, welcome to my channel. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and follow me on all socials at the Kid in the City. If this is not your first time, you already know we are back with another eyeshadow detail, and I'm super excited about this one because we're getting into a very affordable eyeshadow palette. So e.l.f. Cosmetics, I'm doing like a full glam of affordable makeup, and I feel like e.l.f. Cosmetics is one of the first brands that I always kind of gravitate towards whenever I'm recommending affordable products or when I want to try a new product myself, but on the more affordable side, so I don't feel like I'm like wasting a lot of money if I don't like the product. So we are getting to this super pretty eyeshadow palette from e.l.f. Cosmetics that I'm really excited about. And this is the you know, this is the eyeshadow. So yeah, we're just getting into this super nice palette to just achieve a nice glam, you know, a nice glam lid. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, get into the shades, the brushes, the tools, and the techniques, stick around because we're jumping right into it. Okay, so I'm super excited today. I'm getting into a full glam of affordable makeup. So I think 98% of the products that I'm using are all coming from e.l.f. Cosmetics. So of course I had to do an eyeshadow detail with the brand as well, an affordable eyeshadow palette from an affordable makeup brand. So we are going in with this e.l.f. eyeshadow palette. Let me wait for the camera to focus. So this is the palette itself. It's super pretty, and I feel like it's still very neutral. It's very beginner friendly if you're just like trying eyeshadows and kind of just want to see if it's for you, see what colors work, things like that, kind of just practice. I think this is perfect. I took the tag off, so I'm not sure of the exact name of the palette, but I am going to put it in the description below so that way you can know exactly the palette that it is. I don't know it right now because it's not on the back and I took the little tag off, but it'll be in the description for you for the specific one. So I'm gonna open this up, and these are the colors up close. Again, this is a super neutral, super versatile palette, and it's actually very pretty, and I'm super excited to get into it. So we're going to start with our concealer just to base the lid, and then we're going to jump into the eyeshadow. Okay, now with any eyeshadow detail, of course, we're having the crayon case brush cleaner just to clean off my brushes in between application, you know. What brushes do I want to use? That always be the hardest part. Okay, and then I'm just going to take my handheld. This is my Fenty Beauty mirror. I'm going to take that so, because there's no mirror on this palette, just so I can have a better look at what the hell I'm doing. Let's see, what do I want to do? Oh my god, I don't know. I think I want to use this rose shade. Okay, so I'm gonna start with focus. Man, do what I say, bro. Okay, I'm gonna start with this shade. Damn it. I'm gonna start with this shade right here for my base, the third one, and I'm just gonna put that right on the inner part of my lid, and I need another brush for that. I'm gonna put this right on the inner part of that lid. That's a nice, like, pretty neutral. So really, it's a good base. Okay, and I think that's all I want to do right there for that. Again, just a nice base, nothing too crazy. And then, oh, I'm sorry, and I applied that with a flat brush. So I just took a flat brush to apply that just as the base color, and it's like that little tan. And now with a short rounded brush like so, I'm gonna go in with my transition color. And my transition color is going to be, if this focuses, this little rose color right here, the third one. That's gonna be my transition color for the lid. I'm really excited about this one. And this one does have a little shimmer in it, so it should be really cute. Yes, that's, yes. This is gonna be pretty. You see this shimmer? This shimmer is really pretty. This is a really pretty shimmer. And then I'm just gonna bring it into like the edge of the eye like that and bring it right into that base color. Now I will say this rose, like the shimmer, is a lot more pigmented than that base color. Like I really don't need that much. I don't need as much as I needed for that first color. This is a little more pigmented. Maybe they just put more punch in it because it does have that shimmer. So I'm really not going to use that much. So I'm going to wipe off my brush. And then with a medium length fluffy right here, I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. I don't put any product on this brush. I just use that to kind of blend out that product and blend a little more into that base color, and then just out like that, if you can see that. Perfect. And then with the first flat brush, I'm going to go back in with that first color and then just add a little bit more and then bring that directly into that burgundy. I mean, into that rose color, just to blend that out a little bit more. Super cute, easy peasy lemon squeezy. So this is gonna be the eye, a nice like neutral rose kind of vibe going on, if you can see that. But yeah, that's gonna be the eyeshadow. So now I'm just going to copy and paste. Okay, so here we are with the eyeshadow look so far. So now I'm going to finish the rest of the glam, and I will be back with the final look as we go through the eyeshadow as we go through the eyeshadow detail for this super pretty and super affordable eyeshadow palette from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Okay, so here we are with the final look. This is the eyeshadow that we have, this really nice neutral little rose accent lid that I'm super obsessed with. Again, we went in with the e.l.f. Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. Super affordable, and I will say for this price point, the base color, the lighter neutral color that I used, I did kind of have to build on that. I'm not even gonna lie to you, that was a color that I had, a shade that I had to build on. But that rose shimmer color was super pigmented. I did not have to apply it a lot at all to get the, you know, the desired finish and look that I wanted, which is really nice. Some of their palettes have more shimmers, some of their palettes have more shades that do not have the shimmer, but I would just say, for my personal opinion, the shimmer has the pigment. This is super pretty. I think this is very brown girl friendly. And it's very easy if you, again, if you are already like into makeup, but you're just looking for, you know what I'm saying, just different looks and different products. I think this is a great product. I will for sure be keeping this and I'm not probably, but I'll definitely be using it in the future. But also if you're just getting into makeup, I feel like this is a great palette to work with and a great palette to use. Again, it's super affordable, so it gives you, I feel like it takes the pressure off with trying new products when it's not as expensive, because you're not feeling like you're just pouring so much money into trying makeup and seeing if you like it or not. You know what I'm saying? So I think this is a super versatile palette as well. I think you can get a lot of looks with this. Again, with the shimmers and the other colors, I think this is a super versatile product and palette that you can get a lot of different looks from. Yeah, that still give you like the glam. You know what I'm saying? I like this palette. I really like most of the e.l.f. products that I did use. If you want to see the full glam for the e.l.f. products that I used to get like the full makeup look, I'm gonna link it right here. You can watch that. But yeah, this was easy peasy, and I think it's just all around friendly. It's just makeup friendly. You know what I'm saying? So whether you're beginning or whether you're more experienced, I just think this is a really pretty palette, and I liked it. I give it a 10. I think this palette is really nice. And especially for it to be as inexpensive as it is, I have no complaints about that palette. But that is all. So if you made it this far into the video, I do want to thank you and remind you to follow me on all socials at The Kid in the City. But yeah, that is about it. I do appreciate your time. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you chose to be here with the kid. And for that, I thank you. Until next time. Bye.